sky. Echoes of the past drift by. Dreams sing trails through stone and air, hold the stories people share. From the valleys lush and green bay to the peaks so bold,